Hello guys, in this video we will learn that how to do animations with PowerPoint. Actually it is the best platform where you can learn animation. So for knowing about that, you have to first, I'm choosing first the design. So we have to click the design button over here. Now I am choosing this one. Right here, learn animation. Now I have selected this. I am gonna clicking on that animation button where there are a number of animations. You can choose any one of these. I'm choosing this underline. Now you can add some more animation by clicking on these more animation. You can add float up. I will add the spiraling. Now let's see. Now we have also to add a transition that is for the slide, not for the objects or text, but it is only for the slide. Now let's see the slideshow from the beginning. Now I am clicking on the button to make this animation shown to me, but I can also do this automatically. So I will show you that how to do this. Click on this animation button, but first select this and there start. Click on the after previous. Now let's see how it works. It is done automatically without clicking a single button. Now let's learn something anyway. First, we have added a new slide right here, part 1. Now I am gonna adding animation in this. Now making this automatic. And duration is just for giving a time that for how much time you want to play its animation. Let's write here something DDUGW. Giving this animation collectively, it is not the best one. I do not like it. Let's search for the best one. I think so grow and turn is the best. Yes, I'm adding this. Now it is automatically done. You can add delay here. It also works just like the duration. Now adds the transition line. You can also insert picture. I am inserting the picture of my YouTube channel. Top 10. Yes, now you can also edit this picture in something like an 3D way. Let's add animation in this. Wheel might be the best one because it might be surprised. Wheel is the best one. Where is it? I'm not finding it out. You can add more animation in it, like arc, custom paths, shape, you can also draw the path yourself. I'm just adding, seeing the slideshow from the beginning. It's amazing. You can see that everything is automatic now. You can also add shape